Hey everybody. Okay, thanks to Franco for giving me the opportunity to do this on his site. I found I actually thought it was I was discussing with Franco that when you clicked on the email, he actually opened the default email tool or app that you had on your desktop on your phone, but no, it doesn't do that. So maybe because we've customized so many sites and I forgot. But there's a quick solution, okay? So if you have a really old BD site, you can go to the overview tab and around this area, you won't see this. You would see a totally different code where it actually generates the email there. And you can actually edit it, like you can actually read it and see that this specific format that's showing here and everything. So, and you can change it from there. But because this specific site is in a new site, um, then we can't do it here. So normally I would tell people, hey, go to the overview tab widget and you can customize it there. But this is gonna be hell for you as the business owner of the site to do it. So I'm gonna create a shortcut. It's also very efficient for it, um, and it's gonna be very short and it's quick and simple, and you can remember that one. So we're not gonna edit this code. I'm just gonna remove that tab. All right, Franco also said that, for example, on my previous video, um, if you don't add this to, like if somebody just adds their WhatsApp URL, I mean link, but they don't add any other social media links, then these are not gonna show. So what you do is you see this if here, YouTube, Google Plus, etc., etc., etc. You can there's no Google Plus, by the way. You can add that there. So we're gonna just put two pipes. Add this one, two pipes. Add Telegram. And now if somebody just adds Telegram, it's gonna show. If somebody just adds WhatsApp, it's gonna show. It's not gonna be dependent of if somebody adds Twitter or something else. Anyway, that's just a tip there. So we're gonna go here. I want to put the code here so you have better control over the customization. And we need to dig into how we're gonna select this specific one. So let's do it like this. Okay, so I can see email, right? Really? Okay. So there's a class called email. Okay, let's play with that one. So let's do a quick. This is gonna be very short because it's not complicated. So okay, so let's call it email data equals document query selector and sure email. So what I'm doing here is this is gonna select this specific HTML element. Okay. Now we need to get the actual email inside that um, HTML element. So let's call it email shown or whatever you want to call it. Email data. That's the inner HTML. Okay. And now we actually need to edit that code so it doesn't look like an email like that, but actually it looks like a link they can click on it. Okay. So we're gonna email data. I'm gonna show you why I did that part like that. Inner HTML. It's gonna be now an anchor. Okay. We're gonna have a target of blank, so it opens another tool, app, etc., etc., etc. And here's where we actually use the mail to. Mail to. Let me remove that one from there. And this is why I created the email shown because I need to grab that specific email and put it here. So email shown, then I do this, then I do that, then I do okay. We close this here, and now we're gonna put here uh, contact me, for example, just anything in there. And we can close this baby here. And we're done. That was it. That was all. So I'm gonna double check it here. We got this, we got that, and then it closes there. Um, all that should work. Let me save it here. You don't need any of this. Just this 3 lines inside the script. We refresh. Okay, there we go. I can hover. It's saying mail to. Beautiful. I click on it. If I had a tool or I was on my phone and I touch this, it will actually go to that email tool that you have. If, however, you want to show the email, then just copy this again and you put it here. Okay? And put it like this, put it like that. We save it. And now it's going to show as it was before, but it's actually a clickable email address. So now I can click on it, bloop, and then it does whatever you want. That's it. That's the only thing that you're going to do to make that work. So I hope that this helps everybody. Big hugs and think positive as always. And thanks to Franco for the opportunity here.